I want to talk about briefly about some high-profile
Sure.
divorces, and it seems like this has really been the year for it. I mean, I look at like Bill and Melinda Gates, you know, the Amazon couple, and Kim and Kanye, all these really big power couples getting divorced. So tell me a little bit about what that divorce might look like financially if they were in Georgia.
Sure. So each of them are very interesting for different reasons. You talk about the Bezos or the Gates divorces. Those are practically a business dissolution.
Yes.
And it will be as much of a business transaction as a divorce. In the case of Bill and Melinda, the children are grown. There's no custody aspect of it. It'll be a significant unwinding. And in their case, it's almost all property that they have built during their marriage. So if we were in Georgia, that's all considered marital property. It would all be divided. In most cases, it's divided equally. In Georgia, we call it equitably. Equitably doesn't mean 50-50, but quite often that's the barometer of where we are. And you'll see that process unwind. I anticipate in their case, given the amount of assets, it'll be much like the Amazon Bezos divorce, where it's worked through with lawyers and negotiators, and it's handled, and the business is not dissolved, but the marriage dissolves, and the assets transfer somewhat seamlessly.
So let me ask you a crazy question. If you have all that money that Bill and Melinda Gates have, and all the rest of us would say nobody needs, but if he comes out and he has a lot higher salary than she does, might he ever have to pay like alimony? Is that crazy?
The alimony side of it is probably not there just because it links them together, and they wouldn't want that. The other thing to consider, when she receives her half of however many billion, the investment income on that is going to generate annual income in the millions, and so neither of them, will worry. The standard we have in Georgia for support cases is, can you maintain the standard of living enjoyed during the marriage? And I would wager that even on half of their fortune, they can continue both to live pretty comfortably.
I didn't know that. I didn't know if it was just based on income and it went way up,
it's
or
based,
if it, that's a good explanation.
It's based on
for it.
several factors. Alimony is based on several factors. It's probably